Welcome to our comparison of two fantastic portable laundry solutions, the WonderWash portable washing machine and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer. If you're living in a small space, such as an apartment or RV, finding the right laundry solution can be a challenge. Today, we'll explore the features, benefits, and drawbacks of each product to help you make an informed decision. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring no electricity, making it perfect for off-grid living or camping. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer is electric, providing a more convenient washing experience, but limiting its use to locations with power. This fundamental difference affects how each machine can be used in various living situations. While the WonderWash is designed solely for washing clothes, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer offers a dual function, allowing users to wash and spin dry their laundry. This added feature can significantly reduce drying time, making the Elevon a more versatile option for those who need both washing and drying capabilities in one unit. When it comes to portability, the WonderWash shines with its lightweight design at just 5 pounds, making it incredibly easy to transport. On the other hand, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer, weighing 14 pounds, is still portable, but may be less convenient for users who frequently move their laundry equipment. This difference is crucial for those who prioritize mobility in their laundry solutions. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer offer unique advantages for small space laundry solutions. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prefer a manual, non-electric option, while the Elevon provides the convenience of electric washing and drying. Consider your specific needs and living situation when choosing between these two fantastic products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.